I did tell you there would be a software update, typical DJI stuff, and it's here. I'm just gonna walk you through really quick when you get your drone how to do the software update, and let's get started in under 2 minutes. So when you power your drone on, DJI will not allow you to take off until you do that software update. So unfortunately, it's mandatory. You just go to the home screen before you enter the camera app and you hit that button that says update software. Guys, you have to be a little patient. It's going to take some time. Just let it sit there. The drone will restart, power on and off. This gimbal will move around sometimes, stuff like that. At some point, the drone may shut off and it may ask you to turn it back on. Just turn it back on. Worst case scenario, sometimes it asks you to disconnect your phone and reconnect your phone back. If it asks you to disconnect your phone, pop this out because the phone is connected on the other end, and just pop this right in back. It will reconnect to the drone. Worst case scenario, if you have any problems, that's all you need to do. Let the process take its time. Just be patient, guys. It's just one of those things we have to deal with DJI drones. Once that's done, you'll be able to fly, enter the camera app, and it's all yours. I hope this video was helpful. Smash that thumbs up button, thumbs down, whichever one works. Let me know what you guys want me to make videos specifically about. Do you want to learn how to control the sticks? You want to know how not to crash, fly over water? These are the things I've had so far. If you're into Mavic Mini content, you're a brand new pilot, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you know when I post new videos. Alright guys, hit the description section. Let me know what you want to see from me, and I will see you guys when I can. Still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.